Namaskaram and welcome to the Swayam MOOC series on Telugu language learning. My name is Dr. K. Ramesh and I am your instructor for this session. It is a pleasure to continue our exploration of the fascinating world of Telugu language. In today's session, we will focus on adjectives in Telugu. Introduction is, in the Telugu language, an adjective is called Visheshanam. It is a word that describes or modifies a noun, which is called Namavachakam. Adjectives normally appear before nouns. They do not change for gender or number and they help describe nouns in many ways such as quality, size, color, number, position and condition. Below is a list of commonly used Telugu adjectives with pronunciation and meaning. Basic quality adjectives: manchi, good, chedu, bad, తెలివైన, intelligent. Size and shape adjectives: పెద్ద, large or big, చిన్న, small, చిన్నది, short, పెద్దది, long or big, సన్నని, thin or narrow. పొడవైన, it means tall or long. Simple adjectives: కొత్త, new, పాత, old. Color adjectives: తెల్ల, white, నల్ల, black, ఎర్ర, red, పచ్చ, green, నీలం, blue, పసుపు, yellow. Temperature and condition adjectives: వేడి, hot, చల్ల, cold, తీపి, sweet. Quantity and degrees of adjectives: చాలా, very, బాగా, well. Now that we have seen some common adjectives vocabulary, we can study how adjectives functions in Telugu grammar. The following lesson explains how adjectives are used in sentences and how different types of adjectives function in Telugu. For example, in the phrase manchi pustakam, which means good book, the word manchi describes the noun. Pustakam, it means book. Therefore, manchi is the adjective and pustakam is the noun. Similarly, in pedda chettu, it means big tree. The word pedda, it means big, is the adjective describing the noun. Chettu, it means tree. One important grammatical feature of Telugu adjectives in that they do not change according to gender or number. The same adjective can describe both singular and plural nouns. For instance, pedda illu means big house, while pedda illu, it means big houses. In both expressions, the adjective pedda remains unchanged, while only the noun changes its number. Another feature of Telugu is that the verb to be or is or are is often not expressed in simple descriptive sentences. For example, ఇది మంచి పుస్తకం, this is a good book, and అది పెద్ద ఇల్లు, that is a big house. The meaning of is understood even though it is not spoken. Structure of adjective plus noun. In Telugu sentences, adjectives usually appear before the noun. They describe the general structure is adjective plus noun. For example, kotta karu, it means new car. Paata illu, old house, and chinna pillavadu, it means small boy. When the noun becomes plural, the adjective remains the same while the noun takes the plural ending. For instance, మంచి పుస్తకాలు, it means good books, and పెద్ద గదులు, big rooms. In sentences, we can say ఇది మంచి పుస్తకం, which means this is a good book. ఆ గది పెద్దది, it means that room is big. Now, let's move on to the next topic, qualitative adjectives. Qualitative adjectives describe the nature or quality of a noun. Common examples include మంచి, it means good, చెడు, bad, తెలివైన, it means intelligent, పెద్ద, big, చిన్న, small, కొత్త, new, and పాత, it means old. These adjectives appear before the noun they describe. For example, కొత్త పుస్తకం, new book, చిన్న గది, small room, and మంచి ఇల్లు, good house. In a sentence, we can say ఇది మంచి సినిమా, it means this is a good movie. ఆ చెట్టు పెద్దది, it means that tree is big. Next one, color, size, and condition adjectives. Many adjectives describe the color, size, shape, temperature, or condition of objects. Examples include తెల్ల, which conveys white, nalla, it means black, erra, it means red, pacha, which conveys green, and neelam, blue. There are also adjectives such as vedi, which means hot, challani, cold, and తీపి, sweet. For example, తెల్ల చొక్కా, it means white shirt, and వేడి coffee, it means hot coffee. To illustrate the use of these adjectives in context, consider the following examples. ఆ చొక్కా తెల్లగా ఉంది, which means that shirt is white, and ఈ కాఫీ చల్లగా ఉంది, this coffee is cold. Next, let us focus on possessive or pronominal adjectives. Pronouns can change into possessive forms and function as adjectives before nouns. These are called pronominal adjectives also. నేను become నా, it means my. నువ్వు become నీ, it conveys your. మేము become మా, which means our. మీరు becomes మీ, which explores that your. These adjectives always appear before the noun they modify. For example, నా పుస్తకం, it means my book. నీ గది, your room, and మా ఇల్లు, our house. In a sentence, we can say ఇది నా పుస్తకం, this is my book. మా ఇల్లు పెద్దది, which means our house is big. Next one, nouns used as adjectives. Sometimes a noun can modify another noun to express its position or a relationship. In this case, the first noun functions like an adjective. For example, Ravi Pustakam, it means Ravi's book. Sita Illu, Sita's house. Ramudi Tandri, it denotes Ramu's father. Some nouns slightly change form when used as possessive adjectives. For instance, Snehitudu, it means friend, becomes Snehitudi Illu, it means friend's house. And Ravigaru becomes Ravigari Kurchi, it means Ravi's chair. The structure is noun or possessive form plus head noun. Many proper nouns such as Ravi, Sarala, Mohan remain unchanged when used as modifiers. Next one, demonstrative adjectives. Telugu uses demonstrative adjectives to indicate objects that are near or far from the speaker. The word "e" it means this or these, while "a" it means that or those. These adjectives appear before nouns and do not change for singular or plural forms. For example, the demonstrative adjectives can be seen in "ee pustakam" it means this book, and "a pustakam" it means that book. When used with plural nouns, we say "ee pustakalu" these books and "a pustakalu" those books. We can say "ee pustakam manchidi" this book is good, and "ఆ ఇల్లు పెద్దది" it means that house is big. Next one, interrogative and quantitative adjectives. Telugu also uses adjectives to ask questions about nouns. The interrogative adjective "ఏ" it means which. "ఏ పుస్తకం" which book. In a sentence we can say మీరు ఏ పుస్తకం చదువుతున్నారు? It means which book are you reading? Telugu also distinguishes between counting people and counting objects. The word "ఎన్ని" it means how many for objects. As in ఎన్ని పుస్తకాలు how many books. For people, the form ఎంతమంది how many people is used as in ఎంతమంది విద్యార్థులు how many students. Numeral adjectives. Numbers can also function as adjectives because they describe the quantity of the noun. Examples include ఒక పుస్తకం one book, రెండు పుస్తకాలు two books, మూడు గదులు three rooms, and నాలుగు చెట్లు it conveys four trees. In sentences we may say నా దగ్గర రెండు పుస్తకాలు ఉన్నాయి. I have two books. When counting people, special forms such as ఇద్దరు విద్యార్థులు two students and ముగ్గురు పిల్లలు three children are used. Next one, predicate adjectives. When adjectives occur after nouns in Telugu sentences, they often take special endings. The ending "the" is used for singular nouns, while "we" is used for plural nouns. ఆ పుస్తకం మంచిది it means that book is good, and ఈ ఇల్లు పెద్దది this house is big. The plural nouns we say ఆ పుస్తకాలు మంచివి which explores those books are good, and ఈ ఇళ్ళు పెద్దవి it means these houses are big. Use of aina. The suffix aina is added to interrogative pronouns or interrogative adjective phrases to express the meaning any or whichever. For example, ఎవరికి to whom, but ఎవరికైనా it means to anybody. Similarly, దేనికోసం for what, while దేనికోసమైనా for whatever purpose. Other examples include ఎవరితోనైనా which means with anybody, and ఏ గదిలోనైనా it means in whichever room. Adjectives of kinds. Some adjectives describe the type of category of a noun. Examples include ఇటువంటి this kind of, అటువంటి it implies that kind of, and ఎటువంటి it indicates what kind of. See the example. ఇటువంటి మనిషిని నేను చూడలేదు. I have not seen this kind of person. Another example is అటువంటి కలం ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతుంది? Where can that type of pen be found? Similarly, మీకు ఎటువంటి ఉద్యోగం కావాలి? What kind of job do you want? Moving on to the next point, use of సేపు. The word సేపు, it means time, but it is a bound form. It means it cannot be used independently. It must appear with another word that indicates quantity or duration, like in the phrase అంతసేపు, that much time, ఇంతసేపు, this much time, and ఎంతసేపు, how much time. Another example is that గంటసేపు, it means 1 hour. Adjectival participles. An adjectival participle is a verb form that functions like an adjective and describes a noun. It expresses an action related to the noun. For example, నవ్వుతున్న అబ్బాయి, it means the laughing boy. In this phrase, నవ్వుతున్న is the adjectival participle derived from the verb నవ్వు. It means to laugh. It modifies the noun అబ్బాయి, it means boy. The special use of plural pronominal adjectives with honorific pronouns. In Telugu, certain honorific pronouns occur with plural pronominal adjectives while referring to a single person. This usage is common in family relationships such as husband or wife. In such constructions, the plural pronominal adjective expresses respect or politeness, although the reference remains singular. The phrase ఆవిడ is a third person feminine honorific singular pronoun, it meaning she in a respectful sense. When used with plural pronominal adjectives such as మా ఆవిడ, my wife, or మీ ఆవిడ, your wife, it respectfully refers to a single person, the wife. Similarly, ఆయన is a third person masculine honorific singular pronoun, it means he. When combined with plural pronominal adjectives, it may denote husband. In these constructions, the plural adjectives expresses respect while referring to one individual. Examples: మీ ఆయన, your husband, మా ఆయన, my husband, వాళ్ళ ఆయన, her husband. This usage reflects an important feature of Telugu, where plural forms are used to express respect or politeness even when referring to a single person. Next one, additional important forms of adjectives. Use of ni for qualitative formation. The suffix ni commonly added to base words to form descriptive adjectives in Telugu. This suffix gives a natural and expressive quality to the noun. It modifies and is widely used in both spoken and written language. For example, పచ్చని పువ్వు, green flower, చల్లని గాలి, cool breeze, and చక్కని మనిషి, it means good person. In all these examples, the accusative suffix ni helps to highlight the inherent quality of the noun in a soft and descriptive manner. Compared to plain forms, the structure sounds more natural and stylistically rich in Telugu language. Use of gala expressing position, the ablative form. gala is used to express a position or the presence of quality and functions like having in English. It is typically used with abstract nouns to describe a person or thing characterized by that quality. For example, Jagrata gala ammai. It means a careful girl. And also Nidhanam gala ammai. It means a patient girl. This form is derived from the verb kalugu, which means to have or to possess. When converted into the adjectival form gala, it modifies a noun. For instance, Bayam Kalugu, it means to have fear, while Bayam Gala, it means fearful. Similarly, Dhairyam Galugu, to have courage, and also Dhairyam Gala Abbai, it means a brave boy. Thus, the structure quality plus gala plus noun is an important and productive way of forming adjectives in Telugu. Use of comparative marker. Kante, the word kante is used to express a comparison. It means than. It helps compare two things or ideas. For example, ఇంతకంటే మంచిది లేదు. Nothing is better than this. In this sentence, kante establishes a comparison between this and all other things. Telugu also uses this structure to express the highest degree of superlative. For human, like andarikante, it means more than everyone. For non-living things, the phrase annintikante, which explore that more than everything. For example, ఇది అన్నింటికంటే గొప్పది. This is the greatest of all. Thus, kante plays a crucial role in both comparison and superlative expression. I hope we will achieve the learning outcomes of this session. Adjectives in Telugu are very important because they help us describe nouns clearly and meaningfully. They usually come before the noun and do not change according to gender or number. Telugu adjectives can describe many things such as quality, quantity, number, position, and type. They can also be used after nouns in sentences with forms like the and we. In addition, adjectives can be changed into adverbs using the adverbial marker ga. Understanding how adjectives work helps learners form correct sentences and expresses ideas more clearly and effectively. It also improves both spoken and written Telugu. Overall, forms like ni, gala, and kante are very useful for expressing qualities, position, and comparison, making sentences more natural and meaningful. I encourage you to sustain your engagement in this ongoing study of the Telugu language. As we further examine its rich grammatical structures, lexical nouns, and cultural significance, your attention and commitment to learning are highly valued. I look forward to advancing our collective exploration of Telugu in the forthcoming session. Thank you, one and all.